Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You already have the basics. Now turn knowledge into practice. First, pick one language and stick to it for consistency. Once chosen, open Leetcode, set a weekly problem goal, and solve 3 easy problems in a focused session so you build momentum. Make sure to read problem statements fully and write a brute force solution first, then optimize. This approach trains both speed and correctness. You'll learn why patterns repeat and where to improve next. Once you have momentum, focus on patterns because most problems are combinations of a few ideas. Study a pattern, then solve 5 problems that apply it, moving from easy to medium for depth. Make sure to time at least 1 problem per pattern to simulate interview pressure. Afterwards, review top solutions to see different techniques. Keep a pattern notebook. Write template code and pitfalls. Over time, this condensed practice reduces blind guessing and reveals efficient instincts for solving new problems. You're close. Now simulate real interviews and polish weak spots. Run full 45 to 60-minute mock interviews, alternating coding and whiteboard explanations, and practice articulating your thought process out loud. After each session, analyze failures. Was it a logic bug, time complexity, or misreading constraints? If stuck on a problem, revert to a brute force solution to guarantee correctness, then optimize. This sequence helps you recover during
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.